Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we are using products from Pixi Dust Designs to create a birthday card using scrap cardstock. Alright, so I've got everything cut out from all the die sets, and we're going to go ahead and start layering everything up. I cut two pieces of the lace, one of the lace dies. We're going to sandwich that together with a little strip of cardstock. I've got my card base and my ivy cut from some light green cardstock. I'm going to probably cut that down. There's my little butterfly we can layer up in just a second. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and layer on our card front. And this was from the Blooming Flourish Background. It's one of the new background dies from Pixi Dust. So I'm going to go ahead and run a little bead of glue around the edge. I probably should have cut this out from cardstock that was lined with adhesive sheets, but I never think of that. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue behind our pieces. I'm okay with a little bit of them popping up, just for a little added interest, but we'll try to get everything attached down. So we're just going to use liquid glue for this. Just coming in the big areas to add that liquid glue on. The little areas, I'm just going to add just a couple dots of glue here and there. And we will try to get that on straight the first time so we don't have to do a lot of arranging so that there's no glue overflow. So I'll go ahead and add little dots of glue behind the backing. I'm just trying to make sure I get a little dot everywhere on the background. Make sure my card base is going the right direction. We'll go ahead and line that up to the edge. Go ahead and get that in place. And I did grab a large acrylic block that I can set on top of that while we work on our other pieces. All right, for our little piece of lace, I'm going to run just some liquid glue along that back edge. And I'm going to take my little strip of cardstock and I'm just going to add that down. I'll cut that off in a minute. We'll do that side. And then we'll do the same thing to the second piece. I want that, just a little strip, like it's a ribbon. That's what I'm going for. But I did choose a little darker green cardstock to go in the center of it. So there's that. And I can add that under my block. Then we'll add our first piece of our butterfly. So we have our base layer and we have our detail layer. And then there's also a piece for the center that we will add on. So we'll add little dots of glue here. I will layer this up together. Line those little antennae up. We have our body part. We will go ahead and add that. I'm just going to add that right in the center. If I can get my big fingers to do what I want it to do. Those into place there. So we can add that under our block. Then I've got my little flowers. I've cut those out from different color scraps as well. So I'll add this one on here. And I'm going to offset these just slightly. You could add dimension foam tape behind them, but I'm just going to attach these down. I do have a centerpiece for each one. I cut out 5 different, one of each of the flowers. So we'll add that layer here. We've got our little lighter layer. So we got, let's see, we've got this one. And pull my die set. So on the back there are examples of how they should look. That one on. I did 3 blue and 2 yellow flowers. Go ahead and add that one. Add that. I did have to cut the center die out twice. So I add a dot of glue behind this one. Put that on there. We'll off-center it. Our smaller one. Offset that. And then before we do the centers, I'm going to go ahead and layer up my sentiment. So I've cut my large shadow layer out from the same gray cardstock I used on the card. And then my light blue. And then we've got our birthday. Again, something I probably should have used adhesive strips for. Or adhesive sheets. So we're going to go ahead and do our birthday first. That one's going to be the easiest. And then we've got the H is separate. So I'll add dots of glue behind that. I can add that in there. And then we've got our little H. For our happy birthday sentiment. And then we can go ahead and add in our little dot of glue to each center of our flowers. So we can add our centers. So since I cut this out twice, I can actually have a little bit more play with those. You could also just use like a pearl or something in the center. A dot of glue to that. So I move that to the side. We'll let our flowers dry. We'll stick that under the block for a little bit. Got our card base. We'll go ahead and trim off our little die cut here. So I'll pull up my trimmer. We'll trim this down. Trim it down to 5.5. So there is our card base all covered. I'll add this. I'm going to add a little bead of glue along the center strip. And then we can add little dots just here and there on the other die cut so that it is stuck down. Just little dots of glue there, just in the bigger spots. And then this is going to go right on the center. I am seeing I left some of the little pieces in. of my little lace. And pop those out real fast. Make sure that's nice and lined up. So I could do that straight like that, but actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim this apart. So I can make it the shape I want. I could also add a little ink blending as well to change the color. I'm going to leave it just like this. I'll add a little liquid glue back behind our bigger leaves. So we are manipulating our shape. So we'll add some behind this one. We'll add that one right in here. I'm going to add our sentiment next, and I'm going to pop it up on some foam squares. I have that right here. And I'm going to add foam squares behind my little flowers as well. Some of them. I'll start with my blue ones. And then I will fill in with the yellow. I will just attach some of these in here. We're going to just tuck that yellow one right in there. And this yellow one as well. We'll tuck it back here. And I've got my little butterfly that we can add. I think I need to move, we're going to move this sentiment up just a tad. And that way it gives our little butterfly a place to live. Let's see. Let me move this. Let's get this butterfly in place first. So I want its wings to be up. And then, let's see, we might need to move this flower. So I can do that. Move it just a little bit. It goes back there. Our sentiment's going to tuck right in here. There. Get it in place. You can pull that flower out just a little. That glue takes a little while to dry, so we've got plenty of time to move a little things around. So actually, let's add some glitter first to our butterfly. Then when that dries, I'll add some highlights with a gel pen after we get our glitters on there. That we'll glitter up these flowers. That way we have some sparkle. We'll come in and we'll add our highlights now to our little butterfly. And some over there, some to its little wings. And I can add a little to some of our petals on our flowers. Give those a little sparkle. Just pick little petals that are sticking out so that we can add just a few little highlights here and there. Definitely would have some in the centers. Can even add some to those background leaves. All right, my friends, so here is our spring, summer floral birthday card using products from Pixi Dust Designs. I will hold that closer up to the camera for you so you can see all those beautiful die cuts using scrap cardstock. So if you need any of the supplies, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. I'll see you over in the next video. Bye guys, stay crafty, love you.